It starts with a detail, a material, a color, a texture to choose from. Each marble is different, each surface unique. Here is where every project begins. A vision takes shape, defined by choices, guided by possibilities. Materials combine, colors interact, finishes evolve. Nothing is fixed. Everything can be tailored. Technology enables precision. Craft gives it character. Cut, carve, polish. Every step is controlled, every detail refined, from a single element to a complete environment. Space is you, around your taste, your vision, your way of living. From micro to macro, every decision matters. NEUTRA creates more than objects. It creates tailored experiences. NEUTRA, unique by nature.